Okay, hello everybody, welcome to the second part of the third episode in SpaceShooter Game tutorial, in which we will make your computer no longer crash. Yeah, that is something good. It's not gonna make a computer crash anymore. That is good. So I finally figured out how to do the import. Just import com your name, SpaceShooter, key input, and also I I created key input is no longer a default package. It's now a new package called com your name, SpaceShooter, key input. So import that, and in the render method, so this is what we had last time. That was bad. They crashed the computer. So we moved it up. So we move it up right now. We didn't move it up before. It took some testing, and you might see that this is a bit strange. This is not Windows anymore. You're thinking, oh, what happened? Oh, this computer became a bunny. Okay, so what happens is I'm using Linux, which is not Windows, for those who don't know. Yeah, so I'm using Linux, and it's not very smart sometimes. So if you're also using Linux, or maybe it just crashes, well, move the random method up, and maybe there's some changes you might notice. Copy down the changes because I'm not sure what changed. I don't have photographic memory, sorry. So I'll give you some time to pause the video right now if you think you've got the run method totally wrong. And yeah, I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you should have paused the video and copied down the run method. And now we will finally add player movement. Okay, so we want to grab the key input, and you might remember our constructors and stuff. It's been a long time since I did this videos. I just randomly pressed something. Nobody died, trust me. So tick. Okay, so we want to add some more of these. And keep 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, and we're just coding down the controls. That way we'll use control the player. And we want to copy that. 2. Velocity x. Negative x. 1, 2, 3. So action done 0 will be the key that will. It's just gonna move the player up. 1 will move the player right. 2 will move the player. 0 will move the player up. 1 left. 2 down, and 3 right. I don't really like this, but I prefer. Yeah, don't do that. Just change it like that. Yeah. So now up. Then left, down, right. Perfect. And also, we want, well, let's just leave it like this. And back in game class, you should have a key listener new key input here. enter it. Actually, before we do that, go to Go object. No, not Go object. Wait, what happened? Object handler. I did some debugging to figure out what was wrong with our code. And what is this doing here? Well, okay, in the add method, make an int I equals 0 this. Or just wait and I'll see if that's part of the fix. And it's probably not. So don't copy that down. Okay. Wait, what just happened? Why? Oh, I know. In our Go object, wait. Whoa, I have a horrible memory. Sorry. Player. Yeah, we don't want this. Oh, we didn't tick. So that was a problem. So tick actually is the thing. So tick. We before we do the O handler tick, we want to make our key input tick, which will actually require us to make a new object. So make a private key input. We need a state object, key input, and input equals new key input player, and instead of that, a new key input, we want to put the input there because we want to be able to join them if they were two different things. So here now we can tick our input. And now it failed epically. This is supposed to be doing those different things because moving up will actually decrease the y axis. Y coordinate. And let's just make them 1 because for some reason it's fast. Yeah, so you see it's not being good. So it's sort of sticky, you see? Basically, you can move up, you can move left. But then, once you go that direction, for some reason, it stops. We will fix all of this by overriding key released. So if you're using Eclipse, you can just write down key and search key released and do that. But if you're not using Eclipse, just type in override. Okay, I'll type it in with you. Override public void key released key event E. And this is not public. I didn't spell that right. Release. How do you spell released? Release. 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 Okay, I gotta figure out how to spell released. Okay. How do you spell released? This is impossible. R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Okay, perfect. So released with a capital R. Yes! Success! Okay. Copy down the code from keep pressed, and instead of true, make it false. False. Sorry, I haven't typed in a while, so I just fail at this stuff. And this is not working. Oh. We have to add something else. Player. We actually want to group the X and Y together. Make it else if here. Else, basically this is up, down, and this will be the stop, which we're not moving. And right now in the game, it has to move, so player dot set velocity y to 0, which just stops it. Do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. I don't know why it sounds so strange. Maybe because I don't speak a lot. Player dot set vel x to 0. And when you run the game now, you should be able to control it. This is great. And don't worry about all these zeros. I think I should delete them. Those zeros were part of the debugging. Yeah, so see, you can move the square out now. So let's add some speed for the player. Private int speed, and create the getter you set it for speed. And let's put a default of 3. And then key input. Now we can simply negative player dot get speed, and replace all these ones with player dot get speed. So now we can just easily set the speed. Look, now it's just spawning and moving around really fast. I'm not actually sure why this is sort of slow right now. Like it's like this. Like you might notice as it just seems to be jumping around and not fast. There is a reason for this, and it's because my code, I'm not like an expert, so my code might be strange, sorry. So yeah. Also, I have a preference You can skip this part if you want, but I always like to do this. Key equals key equals key event dot vk escape. I like to exit the game like that. So if we copy down the code, let's just say we were moving around. Okay, I am too lazy to click that button right there. I'm too lazy to. I cannot click it. It's too far away. Just press escape and it escapes from the game. This is stuff. Okay, that was random. So, we successfully added player movements. So, you could actually let's make another constructor. Player. And we want its float. Well, its position, and speed. It doesn't even have to be a net, actually. It should be a float. Oh. Well, super on X and Y. This Y, which eliminates the need for this thing. Okay, so don't do super, actually just write down this. And then it's just gonna, this runs the constructor in the class that has arguments float, which is this constructor, which will run this. So we just saved ourselves 3 lines of code, and we just have to do one thing. This dot speed equals speed. And this should be a float. So we change speed to a float. So now we can make it 3.2 and 3.2f, which means, and the program works fine with that too. So, in this episode, we finally did something interesting. We moved the red box that seems to be a player. Great! Okay, so since I have unlimited time, in the next episode, we will... Well, I can talk. So, in the next episode, we probably will do something. Yeah, I can't think what we will do. Sorry, to like give you this is great. He will find something to do. He won't find anything to do. Sorry. Anyways, so this is the end of the episode. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, go and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.